Once upon a time, there was a little black cat named Momo who lived by a quiet garden. Every morning, Momo would stretch her paws, meow, and chase butterflies in the sunshine. One day, she spotted a shiny red ball near a flower pot. She batted it with her paw. Oh no! It rolled and fell into a small pond. Cried Momo. She leaned over, but slipped and landed in the water with a splash. She was frightened and tried to swim, but the pond was too deep for her. Just then, a kind frog named Freddie hopped by. "Do you need help?" he asked. Momo meowed. Freddie called his friends, the dragonflies, and together they pushed a big leaf close to Momo. She climbed onto it and floated safely to the edge. Momo shook off the water and looked gratefully at Freddie. "Thank you," she purred. From that day on, Momo and Freddie became best friends. Momo would chase butterflies. Freddie would leap on lily pads, and at night, they'd watch the stars together. Moral: a good friend can help you when you're in trouble. Would you like my story? Please don't forget to subscribe.